Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. So far as this YouTube channel is concerned, in fact, we are going to explore, okay? We are going to appreciate mathematics to the core. Today we are considering, permutations, all right? So if you are new here, kindly visit my previous lecture videos on the introduction to permutations, the proofs, okay, the properties, everything is well explained. Now today we are going to look out for how to evaluate or simplify permutations, okay? And of course the fastest way to do that is by using our scientific calculators, all right? And you can also employ the formulas, but I'm going to teach you another new trick you can employ to make things easier and faster for you. So viewers, let's say if you have this, let's say I have, let's say 10 permutation, let's say 4, okay? We know that 10 permutation 4 is given by what? This, which is 10 factorial, then all over r minus n, right? So I have 10 minus 4 all factorial, which is equal to 10 factorial, then all over, what do we have here? 10 minus 4 gives what? 6, then factorial. Then we have what? 10, then times what? 9, times 8, times 7, times 6, factorial. I want to end at 6, so I have to add the factorial. Then all over, what do I have here? 6 what? Factorial. So 6 factorial will cancel 6 factorial. Then, so by the help of the calculator, we are getting 5,000, so 5040. As simple as that, right? Good. What about this? 10 permutation 3. Okay, I'm going to use the long way approach and I'll teach you a very short way, okay? So here, what do we have here? We have 10 factorial, then all over, right? The difference, okay? You subtract 3 from 10. So I have what? 3 minus, that's 10 minus 3, all factorial. So what do we have here? We have 10 factorial over this minus this. We have what? 7 factorial, right? Good. And we are going to multiply 10 factorial or 10 by 8 degenerates, right? So we have 10, then times 9, then times 8, then times what? 7, alright? Because this 7 is equal to the denominator 7 here, and I want to end at this point, I'll add my factorial, alright? Then all over, what do I have here? 7, then factorial. So this cancels this. So this times this is 720. As simple as that. So now using the shortest or the fastest approach, now the trick is this. N permutation R, okay? The R here, okay, tells you the number of times you are doing the multiplication. This N here represents the total number of items in contention, right? Good. So here, if I have 10 permutation 3 is given by viewers. The 3 here is telling us that, okay, I am doing the multiplication 3 times. Do you get that? So I'll multiply one item times another what? Items times what? Another item. Then I stop at that point. So 1, 2, 3. That's the meaning of the 3 here. Then I have 10 here, right? So I'll start from 10. Then I'll reduce to what? To 9. Then reduce it to what? To what? To 8. So if you multiply this by this by this, what are you getting? 720. As simple as that. So this is equal to what? Is equal to that. As simple as that. You see how easier it is. So if I have 7, let's say permutation, let's say 2. Using the long way approach, what do we have? 7 factorial, then all over the difference. 7 minus 2, then all factorial. Then I have 7 factorial over this minus this. We have 5 factorial. So what do we have here? We have 7 times what? Times 6, then times what? 5 factorial. I'm ending at 5 factorial because of the denominator 5 factorial. Then all over 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancels 5 factorial. So therefore, 6, 7, you have what? 42. So that is what? 7 permutation 2. Now using the fast way approach, okay, or the shortcut approach, we have what? 7 permutation 2, which is equal to, remember, I said this 2, the number here tells us the number of times we are doing the multiplication. So I'm going to do the multiplication twice. So therefore I'll start with the number what? 7. So I have 7, then times, I'll reduce it by 1. What do I have? 6. So I have 1 and 2, right? So 7 times this, what do I have? I have what? 42. As simple as that. So here, so these two will tell you that, okay, you have what? 2 items. Okay, you are multiplying 2 items. If I have 3, the number here is telling you what? That you have what? You are multiplying what? 3 what? Items. Telling you the number of times you are multiplying the items. Is that also as simple as that? So here, the term permutation 4 here is telling you that you are multiplying 4 number of items. The multiplication is done with 4 times. So here, using the shortcut approach, 10 permutation 4 is given by what? I start from the number 10, then times what? 9, then times what? 8. I have 1, 2, 3. No, but here is what? It's 4. So I add this last one, which is what? 7. And you are getting something like this. So you have a 5, 0, 4, 0.